Okay, now that all the pieces are washed, we're gonna go ahead and show you how quick and easy it is to assemble. Again, this is our blades. The thing I love about the blade guard is this also stores right in there. So when you put it all together, it's nice and compact. So I'm going to first put it on base. It has arrows to line it up. There's the arrow. Can you see the two arrows? There's an arrow there, so you know exactly how to put this on. Let me put it down because it makes way more sense when it's on the counter. So there we have it in place. And then to get this guy and this guy together, the easiest way to do that, and it is recommended that you put the blade guard back on. It snaps into place. Set your prong part right in the center. That lines it right up where it needs to be. Let's make sure I'm lining it up where it needs to be. Maybe I'm not doing it right. There you go. Oh, there's a little off. There we go. It's lined right up. That holds it in place. Make sure it's tightened so it comes up and down. Now you're going to want to leave the blade guard on to put our blade in, because remember we're going to do zucchini. So I want this larger part of the blade up. And it's going to go right in this back part here. And this blade keeps it from, it'll keep popping up at the end. This will keep it down in place at the right angle. And then this little knob right here helps us tighten that blade in place. Just till it feels snug. And you just pop that right off. Make sure your blade's straight in there. Good to go. I don't need the guard right now because we're going to do a quick zucchini just to show you how easy the zucchini works in here. Let's pull you up here. Okay, again, I've washed this. You want about 4-inch pieces. Again, I'm going to use my nifty cutting mat. Oh, first let's give us a straight base. About 4 inches there. This one's going to be short. It's okay. I don't need those. Super easy. Drop that in on the center. Put your prongs down and watch the magic happen. Can you see that coming out? Oh, it just slices right through it like butter. And we go through a lot of spiralized veggies, and especially when my garden has zucchini in it, because you can never have too much. And again, did I mention you can freeze these? They're awesome. And a lot of people say you need to steam zucchini noodles. I don't love them steamed. They go super mushy for me. I find just tossing them in a frying pan, kind of frying out a little bit of that moisture in them, and then adding some seasoning, maybe some butter, is all they really need. Because who doesn't love fried zucchini? So let's do the other part. Easy enough. So I know this item, when I first went and looked at it, it retails for $68. But keep in mind, I've gone through 2 of the other kind and probably spent close to, I want to say about $60, $65. But I don't feel like this. I feel like this is a quality tool. They do have warranties through Pampered Chef, which I love. As a consultant, I can get you any replacement parts you may need. If something breaks, we can get that settled. So look how easy that was to do. Definitely something. And if you don't want your noodles to be this long, take your scissors, your kitchen scissors, and just chop them up into pieces. Or just take your knife and run it through the whole bunch. There you go. Ready for dinner. Thank you for joining me. If you have any questions, you can always contact me about Pampered Chef or Keto. Thanks.